So hello everybody, today I am going to show you a website. Through the website you can create apps on your own and you can publish it in your phone so that you can use it. And my name is Achintya Sharma and I am in class 5. So I am going to show you the website. The website name is MIT App Inventor. So you have to just go on this. Then as you can see, you have to select the first option on your browser. Then you have to go here. Then the option there'll be one option that is called Create Apps. Then you have to click on it and the screen will appear in front of you. So I'm going to start a new project. So I can rather click here or I can click here. So I'm going to click here. Now I can see the same window is here. Now I'm going to click here again. You can see the same window. So I'm going to type, let the project name be car. So okay, I've done it only for your explanation. It's not taking the name because as you've already I've deleted some projects which I didn't need anymore. So you can see them. They are and car is there. That's why it's not taking. So I'm going to again start a new project. Its name I'm going to name it let it be AC12. Okay. So I've done. Now it will display the screen soon. See it displayed. Now this is a blank window. There are 4 parts: palette, viewer, components and properties. So there are options like user interface, layout, media, drawing and animation, map, scanner, etc. Then this is these are some icons. You have to drag and drop them on the screen one. So I'm dragging and dropping this. This is the viewer. Viewer is nothing but it's just a screen. For example, if I'm dragging and dropping it here, you can see this text for button 1 on the screen. So it does nothing but just displays it. Then this is components. See, there is screen 1 already, it's default. Then I've added button 1. You can see it is displaying. Now I'll delete it. Now you see the difference. See, it has gone. Now I'm going to add again. You can see it has added. Now I can rename it. I will rename it as reset. So I've renamed it. You can see in the components it has got renamed. But if you need to rename the button, you need to go to properties. So I'm going to explain one by one each property to you. So the first property is background color. Background color is nothing. It will change the color of the button. So it's currently black. I'm going to change it to green. You can see it has changed. Now it is font. This is enabled. If I click on enabled, when you will build your app and you will get your app in your phone. If you have clicked on enable, if you touch that button, it will work. But if I remove this, my app will not work. So I'm going to click this. Then this is font bold. If I click on this, you can see the font has got bold. But if I remove it, it's not got bold. Then this is font italic. It will change the font to italic. You can see it has changed. Now I remove it. So it looks a bit small. So I'm going to change it. So I've done it to 20. Now you can see it has increased. Now this is font typeface. This is the writing of this. So sans serif, I'm going to choose monoface. You can see the writing has changed. Then automatic, I'm going to do percentage. Then I'm going to put it on 20. See, it has extended. Now width, I'm going to do as fill parent. Then see, it changes. Now I'm not going to do anything. Image, you can upload file. For example, if you want, you can just choose file. Anything you can choose, like downloads. There's so many. So you can choose any of them. So I'm choosing downloads. I'm going to downloads. Then I have to go to desktop. Okay, I'm going to desktop. You can see there's so many. So for example, I put this. You can see. Uploading calculus to App Inventor server. It's uploading. So you can see it will be soon here. so you can see it. Okay, it is uploaded, but it's not visible. So now you can see the background image. Background image is none, so you can upload a file once again. I'll choose one file, then go to desktop. Okay, go to downloads. Now I'll choose one image like this. See, it's uploading. Inventor server. It is uploading. It will take some time. So, okay, it is uploaded. You cannot see it because it's not visible. So then this is block toolkit. You can select any, like upload file, view, modify. Then this is close screen, default, nothing is there. Then icon, you can select one icon, upload file. Then this is primary color. If you want to change it like orange, I've done now. Primary color dark, I'm doing magenta, so it will change. Then these are title. You can change the title as screen 5. Then you can see it has changed here. So now I'm going to explain you the blocks part. So the blocks part is nothing but there are some options like control, logic. You have to just go on them, drag and drop one block, and this is your workspace, and this is your dustbin. If you don't want any block, like I've chosen this by mistake, so I can just go like this, I can delete it. And this, if you want to zoom, see I'm zooming it, it got zoomed. Then this is the backpack. If you want some blocks for so many projects, you can add it to backpack. Then I'm going to pick one block, like I'll take some block like I'll take just like this. I'm taking one random block. So I'm taking one random block. So for example, if I try to fit it, it will not fit, because you can see as the block should be like the block should have this, then it will fit like this, and this will fit in this. So that's all. Hope you like my video.